welcome to my channel, Play Together, Learn Together. In today's video I'm going to show you some fine motor activities that you can use with your child. I'm Laureen, a mum to two children, a girl aged 5 and a boy aged 2. I'm a teacher with over 20 years experience, mostly in early years. If you don't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give the video a thumbs up and to follow me on Instagram. Here are some of the activities that I set up for my 2.5-year-old boy to develop his fine motor skills.
You tip it in, open them up, get them to open, that's it. You need to open them wide, here, open your hands wide here, spread your hands like that, okay, and go, tip it in, hey, well done. So put your fingers in. Close them. And close your fingers. That's it. Okay, look. Yay, well done! Right, close it. That's it. And then open. Oh, nearly. Try again. That's it. Close it. Well done. And can you open it? Yay! Good boy! Right, close it. Open it. Well done!
I can't.
You are, that's it.
I can't.
Pull it through. That's it. Yay! I'm going to do another one. That's it.
It's this
Oh, Daddy's getting his speaker ready.
one.
That's a triangle.
What is this one?
That's another triangle. Put two triangles.
What is this one?
Is that another triangle?
It's
Yeah. So this is the yellow door threading pebbles that you saw my boy using. It comes with 3 different threads and then lots of different pebbles that are different shapes, different textures, and they all have a hole in them, and you saw that my boy can thread them through. So nice, great activity for them.
cotton.
is a penguin that we got from the Buckle Toy Company. So it's brilliant for fine motor skills. The children just...
Mommy.
Yeah, you do it. Can just unpop the buckles themselves or push them back together, and here we are. He's demonstrating again how to do it. He absolutely loves this toy, and I highly recommend it for fine motor skills.
I'm doing it.
Good boy, you do it. So this is another toy from the Buckle Company, or the Buckle Toys. It's called a Busy Board, and it is wonderful. There's going to be a giveaway for this on my Instagram, so please make sure that you go and check that out. You can see how good it is for the fine motor, and the clips are slightly different from the ones that are on the penguin. This one is brilliant as well. Obviously my son is 2.5, but I've got a nearly 6-year-old daughter as well, so we're obviously getting close to having laces and shoes, so this is a brilliant resource for her to practice tying her laces as well. And we've got a popper and a zip as well, and in the zip there are lots of shapes, so you can have discussions on the shapes there. So a brilliant resource.
Help me, Mommy.
Well done, you've done it. That's it, good boy. This is a set that we got from the Trendy Bits. So this was gifted to us. It's age 3 plus. My little boy is 2.5 and he's using it. So it comes with a booklet that's got the pictures here.
Doing, Mommy.
Oh, telling people about it. And then it has a drill and a screwdriver. And then it's got all the different parts and the screws. And it comes with a handy case where it can all just close up like that, and you can take it with you. So my little boy loved doing this. He's able to now use the screwdriver and the drill to screw it in, and my little girl is trying to copy the pattern. So what I'm going to do is we're going to simplify the pictures here and take photos of them, so that then she can copy our photos and then work towards the trickier ones here.
I hope that you've enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Don't forget to comment below, to give the video a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Instagram. Have fun learning at home with your child.